cousins, it makes very little sense how fly this wig is. When I tell you that you want to get your hands on this one, you want to get your hands on it. That's only if you trying to elevate your wig game, okay? I'm not gonna force you to do it. But as for me, baby, this is a must have. You see it? I ain't gotta sit up here and lie. Let me tell y'all the details, okay? I'm gonna just tell y'all the details, all right? Now this wig is from Chris Beauty. Y'all know it's been a long time since I have rocked a Chris Beauty wig, only for scheduling reasons, been, a little busy. That's it. That's all. Because one thing you must remember, Chris Beauty is ahead of the game when it comes to that lace and those hairlines, okay? You see it. Your eyes do not deceive you. Now, let me tell you about this wig right here. This is a curly water wave human hair wig, 13x6 HD lace. And it does have their clear lace and clean hairline feature, okay? I have 200% density, okay, and I have 20 inches. Now we just gonna go ahead and style, but I need to emphasize this right here. Look at the curls. Now this is before anything. This is before anything, okay? Nothing has been done. I just plopped the wig on Sheila. If y'all are new to the channel, Sheila is my wig block, okay? Now, look at this. I want you to look at the beautifulness of come on now, don't get up here lying, talking about it ain't all that. It is, and you know it is. Your mama ain't raised you to lie. Don't do that. Look at this. Now, this is what I'm doing. Clearly you saw the wig out of the box, so if you decided to wear it out the box, you can do that. But I like to get my curly wigs real good and greasy like they just got baptized, okay? You already know that to be true. Now, this is a very easy way to do this, y'all. A really, really easy way to do this. Again, you don't have to do it, all right? Pairing this product with water, it just pops the curls, y'all. And then you just brush through it. I like to kind of clump the curls together, as you see right there. And then you can either let it air dry like I did, or you can blow dry it, but use a diffuser, you guys. Just because you don't want to just blow the curls all over the place while it is setting, okay? That's what I did. I let it sit overnight. Came back the next morning, got it popping. Oh, but that face. Yeah, your girl did. That's like my 10-minute makeup too, y'all. It's nothing. We'll talk about that later though. But here's the wig in its dry state. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace because I needed to match my cafe au lait. And let's just tell the truth, shame the devil. There is not a lace that's been invented that can do that, okay? So we're gonna help it out a little bit. Now, I put my wig grip cap on, okay? Because if you plan on wearing this glueless, attach the elastic band that was sent with the gifts, okay? Or put your wig grip cap on, because what you don't want to do is end up on TikTok with your wig rolling down the street, okay? But I need y'all to look at that. When you put it on your face, it's gonna take it to the place. Now that makes very little sense, honey. And the way they have the hairline plucked, now that's pre-plucked. When I say pre-plucked, I don't want to pluck a thing on there. I want it to already be ignorant on top of ignorant, okay? They've done that. Now you don't have to do this either. I like to use my own natural ear tabs. That's totally up to you. But if you want to do that, you will have to cut some of the lace and hair. I know sometimes that makes people nervous. Don't be nervous about it, okay? It's all going to work out for the good of those who love the Lord. You just have to trust the process, okay? Now, I'm just kind of adjusting it to my head. It was very roomy for me. I have a small domology, so the fact that it's good and roomy, that is good. It will suit a lot of people. That is excellent, okay? So you got to adjust it to get it to where you know, need it to be. As far as the look that you're going for, okay? Chad, but you see, I caught it though. It's nothing. Now, if you're gonna wear it glueless, this is something that I learned from my girl, Kyra Sean. She makes those glueless wigs look like it's all the way glued, okay? Just using a foam mousse, and then tie it down for a minute. Once you take it off, bam, it's nothing. It's over with. All right, so I'm gonna show you that you can wear this glueless. Now keep in mind, I don't even have the elastic band attached, okay? I do not. So this is about to look really, really good, even without being super snatched from the elastic band, okay? So if you put that elastic band on, it's over with. It is over with, y'all. Look how pretty these curls are. They're very, very beautiful, okay? Beautiful. Yes. Look at it. You see it. Now, again, I have 200% density. All right. So if you want it to look like this, then hey, that's the option you gonna have to choose. Okay. Look at that. Y'all look at that. Now that's glueless. Come on now. Come on now. That's no glue. That is no. I'm not gonna sit up here and keep playing with y'all. Chris Beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they still have that hairline game on lock after all this time. Now, I'm gonna show you what it looks like melted too, because when you get it, you're gonna be so, it's like you're gonna be so impressed that it can be worn glueless, but that hairline is so lovely that you're gonna want to melt it. You're just gonna want to, trust me. When you get it, you'll know what I'm talking about. You're gonna put it on, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's so fly. And then you're gonna be like, yeah, I gotta melt it. I gotta melt it. Because if it's looking like this, glueless, ooh-wee. And y'all know we win when it look like skin, okay? Now here, I'm just showing you different, things that I did with it. The bigger it got for me, y'all already know I was truly pleased with it, okay? I really was. There was joy when it came down to it. You're gonna see I did an updo and everything, y'all. I was just feeling it. I cannot, oh my goodness, between this wig and my face, honey, if you thought you could tell me anything, you thought wrong, okay? And when I brushed it out and added just a little bit of water to it, it was so soft and so big and so beautiful. And oh my gosh, y'all, it is lovely. I enjoy this wig thoroughly. Okay, you don't have to do any of this, as you know. I'm just showing you what I did. But y'all, blow those comments up. Let me know what you think about this wig. Also, if you're going to grab it, what length and what density are you going to utilize? Because you know what? I actually think that they have, I know they have 150% density, but they also have 250, so it gets bigger than this, y'all. Let me know what you think. All right, peace, love, light.